Hello everyone, myself Madhura Sachin Navandar and I had recently cleared my CA Foundation examination. I have done my 11th, 12th and CA Foundation preparation at Jajus Professional Academy. I have achieved this all today just because of the constant guidance and support given by my JPA teachers. I really thank them a lot for their support. Though we have studied at 12th standard and most of our CA foundation preparation in the online mode due to the pandemic, but our classes were at our front steps to really help us and to support us at any time we are. So I'm really grateful to them for their support and mentorness, we can say. So I really thank them. Hard work has no alternative, my dear friends. So of course we have to study hard, we have to be consistent and determined, of course, for our study as well as for our goals and everything. I used to set a goal for my class test, though it may be a class test, mock test or any examination I give. I set a goal for myself. So I really advise you to first you set your goal and then you start your preparation for your study. I would really like to advise you that you have a weekly task or goal set for yourself or time limit as you wish. Set a task and goal for yourself for a short span of time so that you can judge yourself, you can know how much you are studying and how you are performing. So set them. It really helps you to get your all sectors of study gets completed and it also completes your revision. So it is very helpful. I would advise you this. Classes provides us with numerous sheets, notes and they provide us with the study material which is really helpful for us, which really makes us easy to study, especially for the theoretical subjects. So, and there are numerous practical questions as well. There are many number of questions which increases your speed to attempt the questions as well as it also clears every point of your study. So practical questions and numerous tests were conducted, class test or mock test were conducted. They help us at the time of study for the revision, and tests help us in numerous ways, like we can keep the track of our performance, like how we are performing. We come to know what the exam pattern is, how we have to achieve marks and where we are lacking. We know what the marking schemes are and it increases your overall efficiency and it boosts up your confidence when you achieve it, when you are clear with the concepts. So that's all what I can say, and once again I thank my JPA teachers for their constant support to me. What I have achieved today is just because of them. So thank you.